Good morning, student. I hope you are very well at home and you are revising also some questions in mathematics for periodical test first. I hope at least five questions you can revise. If you want to revise 10 questions per day, you can also revise in rough copy. If you feel any problem, you can contact me. So dear student, today I am going to solve as self-practice 3C as I told already, as twin prime numbers, co-prime numbers, prime triplets. So on the such functions, such type of the identity, such type of the rules, this exercise is given self-practice 3C. You see, and 3B I had given as study material solution I have sent, and I hope you had written in your copy. And today I am solving self-practice 3C. First question: determine whether each number is prime or composite. Determine whether the number prime or composite. So dear student, if the number is prime number, it means what should be the quality of prime number? You take in mind the definition. When a number has only two factors, exact two factors. One factor is 1 and second factor itself that number. So this number is called prime number. And composite number, such numbers are called composite numbers if the number has more than two factors, like that 4, 8, 6, 12, 15, 20, all the numbers are composite numbers. So by this property you can check this. As first question given, first A given 35. You see, 35 has more than two factors. How? You see, 35 factors of 35 you can find out as by 1 is already the factors of all numbers, by 2 not equal 3 not 4 not 5 seconds are 35 5 and after 7 and after 35 again itself by the number 35 is divided by 35. So factors are 35, 1, 5, 7 and 35. So in this way it is more than two factors. So this is composite number. More than two factors. More than two factors. More than two factors. So this is composite. So 35 is composite. This is composite number. Composite number. See, B 29. 29, as I told also, as you also see sieve of Eratosthenes. Sieve of Eratosthenes as page number 58. By this way also you can learn 29 is already prime number. It has one factor 1 and the number itself 29. So 29 has two factors, 1 and 29 itself. So exact two factors. So this is prime number. This is prime. This is prime number. 29 is prime number. In this way you can solve exercise 1. If you feel any problem, you can contact me. Question number 2. With the help of sieve of Eratosthenes, answer the following. So sieve of Eratosthenes, I told already, it is given page number 58. Sieve of Eratosthenes, page number given at page number 58 given. So you can see and you can try as with the help of sieve of Eratosthenes, answer the following. Write down separately the prime number and composite numbers less than 20. So you can see less than 20. Write down separately the prime numbers and composite numbers less than 20. So see, as prime number given as you have to see it as encircled, and which is composite number as excess of 1. It is given 4, 6, 8 and 9, 10 like this. They are given, so they are composite number. So till 20 you can write. So write down separately the prime and composite numbers less than 20. Less than 20. 2a. So as prime number, prime you can see 2, 3, 5, 7, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 17, 19. 11, 17 and 19. All they are less than 20. All they are less than 20. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 17 and 19. This is solution of this question. Second, which is the largest prime number between 1 and 10? Largest prime number. So see, before 10 it is given 7. 7 is the largest prime number. 7 is the largest prime number. See, make a list of 7 consecutive numbers, none of which is prime. So make a list of 7 consecutive numbers, none of which is prime. So they are not prime number, and you can see the extensive as 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. So question number C. 7 consecutive that are not prime number. From the electroextensive you can see 90, 91, 92, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95 and 96 and 96. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They are 7 consecutive. They are 7 consecutive numbers, but they are not prime numbers. They are composite numbers. All the numbers have more than two factors. So they are not prime numbers. They are composite numbers. Like that, if you want to try 91, 1 also factor of 91, and 7 by 7 also it is divisible, and by 13 also divisible. So 1, 7, 13, 3 factors. There are 3 factors of 91. That is 92 also, many factors, 93 also, 94, 95, 96. So they are 7 consecutive composite numbers. They are not prime number. Question number 3. Which of the following is a pair of coprimes? You can see which of the following are pair of the coprime. Following is pair of the coprime. You know coprime number? Coprime number means just the number which has. So which of the following is a pair of coprimes? So see, 9 and 12. 9 and 12. As you can see, coprime numbers, I have told already the definition of coprime numbers. Two natural numbers that have 1 as the only common factors are called coprimes or relatively primes. So only 1 as the common factor. Only 1 as the common factor. In 9 and 12, 9 and 12, there are more than common factor 1. B, 18 and 15. 18 and 17. C, third A. 9 and 12. 9 and 12. B is given 18 and 35. 18 and 35. C is given 56 and 45. 56 and 45. D is given 28 and 77. 28 and 77. So C, 9 and 12. 9 also composite number, 12 also composite number. So the common factors are more than 1. Like that, by 3, 9 also divisible. By 3, 12 is also divisible. So at least you can see this 9 and 12. But there may be many common factors of 9 and 12. So as 18 and 35 you see, by 6, by 3, by 1, by 6, by 3, by 9 also 18 is divisible. But 35, 1, 5 and 7. 35 is divisible by 1, 5 and 7. 5, 7 are 35, 7, 5 are 35, and 1 is already the factors of all numbers. So you can see only it will be the common factor 1. You can see here 18, 1, by 3, by 6, by 9, by 18, and 35 by 1, by 5, by 7, and 35 itself. So only 1 is the common factor. Only one time 1 is the common factor here. So this is as asking question, which are the following is pair of co-primes. So this is pair of co-primes. B is pair of co-primes. Okay. But this is not. This is not co-prime. But 18 and 35 is a pair of co-prime because the common factor is 1. Here C, 56 and 45. See, here last digit is even number and here last digit is 5 is prime number. So if you find the factors, only one will be common in this case. So this is also co-primes. This is also co-primes 56 and 45. But you see 28 and 77. 77 has also many factors. 28 also has many factors, but common factors also 1 and excess of 1. 7 for jar 28 and 7th 11th jar 77. So you can see 1 and 7. There are two common factors, so it is not co-prime. And this is co-prime. In 56 and 45, only one common factor you can find. So this is also co-prime, and this is not co-prime. This is not co-prime because common factors are more than 1. By 7 also it is divisible, more than. And this is 56 have factors, some factors. 45 has some factors. You can find out in rough copy, and you can see this. It has only 1 as common factors. So, question 4. Which are the following is a pair of twin primes? Twin primes means as difference of the prime number is only by 1. If the difference of the prime numbers is only 2. Difference is 2. Like that 5, 7, 59, 61 in this case. So for the twin prime numbers, the difference of the prime numbers must be difference by 2. Like this, question 4 you can do. 19 and 23. See, 19 and 23. 19 and 23, difference is more than 2. Difference is more than 2. So this is not pair of twin primes. This is not pair of twin primes. Not pair of twin primes. But see, question number B, as 5, 7. 5, 7. 5, 7 has difference by 2. So this is twin prime. This is twin prime. This is twin prime. And C, 59, 61. 59, 61. Difference is by 2. Means if you subtract 61 minus 59, 11 minus 9, 2 and 0 by 2. Difference is by 2. This is also twin primes. D, 11, 17. D, 11, 17. You can see 11, 17. Difference is more than 2, not 2. Difference is 6, not 2. This is not twin primes. This is not twin primes. So I hope you can do exercise 3C now, and tomorrow I will explain some examples and some other systems as check whether a given number is prime number or not. I will give some clues and I will solve self-practice 3D. So for today's class, students, you revise well, and today's class, thank you.